Hey guys, what's up? Bill here at BillDit, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be going over the step-by-step process on how to create a Google account in 2020. Let's begin. Hey guys, thanks for joining. So the first thing we need to do is log into google.com. Once the page is loaded, we'll move to the icon on the top right-hand side and click the Sign In button. Now that the Sign In page has loaded, we'll need to click on the Create Account button down below. By clicking this, two options have appeared. The first option for myself is the standard personal account, which is used for your personal Gmail or your Google account, and only you'll have access to this. The second option, to manage my business, is a brand style account. This option will allow you to create a customized account name and have the ability to let multiple users manage the account. For this video, we're going with option 2 and clicking to manage my business. Now we're on the Create Your Google Account page. We need to provide some account information like our first name, last name, username, and the password. The password needs to be 8 characters or more with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Above the password, we're asked if we want to use a current email address instead. We're going to skip this step and move on. Now that our information has been filled out, we're going to click the Next button below. Now for this page, for the purpose of security, Google is asking us to provide a phone number and a recovery email address. Below, we'll need to provide our date of birth and gender information. Once again, when the information has been filled out, we'll click on the Next button. Once the verification code has been received, we will input that information and click the Verify button below. Since the account has been verified, we can just click the Yes, I'm In button and move on to the next page. Now we're at Google's Privacy and Terms page. I'll be scrolling down, and for this account, I'm going to agree. Sweet, we're all set. So that's a complete walkthrough on how to create a Google account in 2020. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for joining. Let's do it together.